A little wet yet?
Yeah, a little bit.
That's what she said. That's what she said. That's what she said.
Down here in the bottom. Oh yeah. We are out combining again today. I am on the church field. We are on the church farm today, getting these beans going. They are a little bent over.
That's what she said?
Due to some wind and some heavy rain, but our draper head does a really good job from Case to pick them up, and I do have to play with the reel a little bit to get the teeth down and pick some up certain times, but it's working pretty good. These beans are doing okay. Not quite as good as the last field, but they're doing just fine. You can see how these are kind of bent towards me. That's from the rain and heavy winds, but the head is doing a pretty good job picking them up. It's easier to pick them up this way. When I come the other way, it's a little more tricky.
That's what she said.
Michael.
To get them into the head, but it's doing an okay job, and I'm not leaving any out in the field here, so we're gonna keep going. Today we have my uncle out here helping us out, Brian. He is in the grain cart, following me around, chasing me around, and filling up trucks for us. That allows us to get a little more done. That increases our efficiency quite a bit. Just one more guy, one more vehicle, so that way we don't have to drive the combine to the trucks and unload. He comes to me and I unload instead of driving the combine all over the field. So that helps in a lot of ways, including efficiency and it's less wear and tear on our combine, which is very important as well. But we are out here just going around and around. It's a nice day out. It's probably 80 degrees, a little breezy. Perfect day for cutting beans.
Beautiful.
You're going the wrong way!
He says we're going the wrong way!
Oh, he's drunk!
Must have caught something and kicked it up. Well, I'm out here sitting in the truck waiting for another load to go to town. It is about 6:45. The elevator closes at 7:30. We'll see if I have enough to get a load in before they close or not. Otherwise, we will fill up all of our trucks here and the grain cart and then be done for the night, as long as we can harvest. When the dew comes in and the beans get wet.
Ugh, don't say that word.
What word?
Oh. Moist.
They don't harvest as well. You start plugging stuff up, so you're forced to stop by nature. But we'll see if we can get one more load in and before the elevator closes, and then we'll be back at it tomorrow morning. But that's what's going on today. That is soybean harvest. I'll be sure to get more video and get the drone out tomorrow and show you guys some more stuff. But anyway, we'll catch you on the next one. See ya.